Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 333. The vibrations and energies of the number 3 are felt in the number 333, which has the number 3 times, tripling its effects. Number 3 is about encouragement, help, communication, freedom, adventure, exuberance, inspiration, creativity, social, easygoing, the visionary, humor, energy, growth, expansion, the principles of increase, expression, openness, spontaneity, broad-minded thinking, optimism, kindness, speech, faith, hope, and charity, culture, wit, fun-loving, freedom-seeking, brave, adventurous, exuberant, brilliant, non-confrontational, an open channel, free form, rhythm. The number 3 is the essence of the Trinity, which is made up of the mind, body, and spirit. It also shows that divinity has 3 parts. The number 3 stands for the growth principle and means that there is a synthesis going on, that imagination and energy are being used. On the physical, emotional, mental, financial, and spiritual levels, the number 3 stands for the idea of growth, expansion, and abundance. The number 3 is also connected to the Ascended Masters, who are great spiritual teachers who used to walk the earth, as well as to the gods of many religions. The third one is the God connection. The Ascended Masters are close to you, according to angel number 333. They have heard your prayers and want to help you with your goals and help you fulfill your soul mission and life purpose. Angel number 333 tells you to be creative, social, and communicative, and to use your natural abilities and talents to empower yourself and lift and enlighten others, as your light-working abilities and life mission are to be utilized for the good of all. Keep a good attitude about yourself, other people, and the world as a whole to bring peace, love, and harmony into the world. Have faith in people and the future of our world as a whole. Be a positive light for other people by living your truths and expressing yourself with clarity, purpose, and love. Use your natural ability to communicate and to help, serve, and lift up other people. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.